How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out the video. Today I just want to go over some rules, I will say, about plumerias. And the one being that you will hear a lot from people where they talk about full sun. Now, plumerias do love full sun. Typically 6 to 8 hours of sun is great. However, the example of where we live outside of Houston, Texas. So we live in Katy, Texas. It just hit August. We are hitting days that are getting like 100, 109 out here. Feels like. Still in the high 90s, 95, 98. So, in that situation, full sun really depends on what time of day. And there's a reason I'm standing where I am, as people can see the one behind me. It doesn't look so happy. So generally, like I would say, most of the time, from at least where we live, March, June, when we're not getting super hot, yeah, full sun's great. The reason I'm showing the one behind me, this one, which we just moved to this partial shade, this was in full sun all day, right in the middle of a yard. Problem with that is, again, the heat and where we are. Sun's great, but the heat was just blasting this. More so the afternoon sun. So where I am in this side of the yard, which this was in the middle of the yard, this is our southwest. So southwest is where I'm standing right now. So the sun comes over here and it just beats this side of the yard in the middle. There is no shade at any point. Once that sun comes up, it hits this all day, this time of year. And because of that heat, you've seen this one's looking a little peaked. So I wanted to show people this is what you'll start seeing. Now, someone would say, "Oh, it looks like it's underwatered." It's not underwatered. This thing was watered all the time, but this is what you start seeing when you're getting too much sun. Not only will you start seeing what the leaves look like here, you'll start seeing this one's like getting a sunburn. You'll start getting a light tan look on the branches. And that is just a sign that that sun is just too hot and it's just getting sunburned. So again, because of this side of the yard and the afternoon sun just beat on it all day long, every day, it started seeing signs. So that is why it's now in a partial shade. So we're hoping it'll come back to life. Because it was in the middle of the yard, so we dug it up, moved it, and put it over here in this partial shade. With that being said, I also was going to say is it also depends on certain varieties. Some varieties, as anyone knows, are way more tolerable to the sun and heat than others. Some were actually grown to handle more of the heat. Certain varieties, especially where we live, that's why there are certain varieties that, like the Texas Longhorn, was more designed to handle a little more of our heat. Matter of fact, I have a Texas Longhorn right in the middle of the yard, and it's doing fine. Some of your, again, I would say even like a Slaughter Pink, they tend to hold up better. They're just a hardy plant. That's also reason why people use that rootstock a lot to graft, and because that rootstock, because they're such a hardy plant. But so you got to really watch. So it's not just all plumerias follow one guideline. So that's basically what I was wanted to say today. It's not a follow one guideline, follow one rule, and it works for all of them. Every variety can be a little different. And sometimes it's trial and error. I mean, I've said many times in my videos, plumerias love full sun. But there's a caveat to that. It is certain varieties. So I can't sit there and tell you, and I'm not going to sit there and act like I know it all. I mean, this is just trial by fire or by sun, just to learn the varieties that can handle heat, can handle full sun hot. I've had some people that have mentioned, they moved from California to Vegas. Perfect example. Again, more tempered temperature, Southern California to a Vegas where you're going to get brutal heat. So in these cases where I want to get more of a mottled sun. Morning sun would be great. Morning sun tends to do fine. As soon as that day starts heating up and that just in turn of that air is so hot and that sun's beating down on them, it's varieties like this one just can't handle that. Speaking of which, honestly, I don't even remember what variety this was. And since I don't have my glasses, can't even read which one this is. I can't even read that. Sorry. But so again, main thing to go over. Plumerias do love full sun, but it is all dependent on varieties, and it also is all dependent on just your temperature and your heat. Full sun in Hawaii is going to be a lot different than full sun South Texas here. So, no, we're not South Texas, but just we get so hot and humid. And again, when we get into those high 90s to 100s, some of these are just not going to handle well. I have another one that we have a few. And again, that's trial and error. That's just us moving around, finding, ooh, this one didn't do good here. Next year we'll know, don't put it there. So again, don't be afraid. You just got to learn and you got to try it. I mean, there is no exact science to this. And if someone says that there is, I take it for what you want. I'm just trying to be honest with, again, we will make mistakes and we will learn from the mistakes and just hopefully it'll make us better. So I'm just trying to throw it to y'all what we've learned about certain varieties. And once you get really hot in that evening sun, you got to be careful. So just be aware of your yard, where you are, how you're setting them up. And again, how much sun and how hot that temperature gets. We have an area on this side too that the sun hits this brick wall. So we don't put anything by that because that radiating heat just destroys them. And that's most of them. Most can't handle that. So again, just want to show, this is what it looks like when one has been just, it's gotten too hot. It's just too much heat hitting this, too much sun. This is getting too much sun. And then it'll start getting sunburn. Try it out, try different varieties. You learn where you need to put them and what handles what. And with that being said, that's all I wanted to say today. So hope you enjoyed it, get something out of it, like, subscribe, and until next time, y'all have a great day.